Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn the basics of the TOGAF 10 Architecture Development Method, also called the ADM. We'll walk through each phase, step by step. The ADM is a circle, which means we repeat it over time to improve. The labels around the circle are the phases. And in the center, we have requirements management, which happens all the time. Phase 1 is the preliminary phase. This is like preparing the kitchen. We define who will do the work, the rules of the road, and which parts of the business are in scope. Phase A is the architecture vision. Here we define the big goal and get approval from stakeholders. We answer, what problem are we solving? Phase B is business architecture. We study how the business works, strategy, organization, and processes. For a shopping app, this includes browsing and checkout steps. Phase C is information systems architectures. This includes data architecture and application architecture. We decide how data is organized and which software apps are needed. Phase D is technology architecture. This is the hardware and infrastructure, servers, networks, and cloud platforms that support the applications and data. Phase E is opportunities and solutions. We compare where we are now to where we want to be, find the gaps, and group the work into possible projects. Phase F is migration planning. We set priorities, create a roadmap, and estimate costs and timelines. Phase G is implementation governance. The architects act like building inspectors, ensuring the teams follow the approved blueprints. Phase H is architecture change management. We monitor changes in technology or business, and if needed, we restart the cycle with a new architecture update. At the center is requirements management. This happens during every phase, making sure we capture and update business needs as we go. And that is the TOGAF 10 ADM cycle. It is a repeatable method for aligning business and technology through clear phases done again and again for continuous improvement.